Hi and welcome to a new video. Do you often take selfies and wonder why the output photos get inverted? In this video, I will show you how to easily turn off inverted camera on your iPhone. Let's go. To make your photo mirror your actual selfie, first open the Settings app on your iPhone. Locate Camera and activate Mirror Front Photos. Afterwards, all your selfies will no longer be inverted. You can also still edit and directly flip any previously taken selfie photos that you already have. To do this, open the Photos app. Select the inverted photo and tap Edit. Choose the crop icon. Click on the flip button at the top left corner and then tap Done to save the reversed image. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.